Hi, so in this video I'm going to discuss LeetCode problem number 3147, taking maximum energy from the Mystic Dragon. So in Mystic Dragon, a magician is standing in a line. Okay, each magician has an attribute that gives you energy. Some magician can give you a negative energy, which means taking energy from you, and some can be positive. Okay, you have been cursed in such a way that after absorbing energy from magician I, you will be instantly transported to magician I plus k. Okay, this process will be repeated until you reach the magician where I plus k does not exist. Okay, in other words, you will choose a starting point and then teleport with k jumps until you reach the end of the magician sequence, absorbing all the energy during the journey. Okay, you are given an array in energy and integer k, return maximum possible energy you can gain. Okay, so we can start from any index, right? So from this example, like 5 to minus 10 minus 5 and 1, and k is equal to 3. Suppose I start from 0, then from 0 to uh, like energy is 5, so 0 plus 3 I will transfer to index 3. 0 1 2 3 4. So index 3 value is minus 5. Okay, 3 then is 6. 6 is not possible, so I will take, so energy is 0 plus 5 and minus 5. So for if I start from index 1 index, then it will go to 4, 4 then 7. 7 is not possible, so I will not continue. So index 1 index energy is 2, and for index number 4 energy is 1. So energy will be ultimately 3. 2 plus 1 3. So if I start from 3, index number 3, next I can go is 6. 6 is not present, so I will not continue. So in index 3, the okay, I missed the index. I will start from 2. So from 2, I will go to index number 5. 5 is not present, so I will not continue. For index 2, energy is minus 2. So energy for this combination, it will be minus 10. For if I start from index 3, it will go to then next index will be 6. 6 is not present, so I will not continue. For index 3, energy is minus 5. So energy will be minus 5. Okay. If I start from index 4, then next index is 7. 7 is not present, so I will not continue. For index 1, the index 4, energy is 1. So energy will be ultimately 1. So what is the maximum energy I can gain? Maximum energy is, here it is 0, 3, minus 5, minus 10 and 1. So maximum is 3. So I will return 3. Got it. So like here actually I will start from 0 index. Okay. Then next available index is 0 plus k. Then next index 0 plus k plus k. Right. And if I suppose in the current index, like in index I can choose energy I, start from this, or dp I minus k plus energy I. Two are possible. Start from the current index, or else take the I minus k energy and the current energy index. Okay, and I will choose the maximum one where I get the maximum energy. I'll choose that actually. So start from current index, start from here, or choose previous. Okay, and after that I will get the final energy. Okay, got it. And I will, after that I will traverse the dp and I will get the maximum value. So let's see the code. So dp size will be n. So if I less than k, then I don't have any previous. Dp of I minus k will not be present because till no k number of k elements are not present. So if I less than k, then dp I will be energy I. Okay. Else if I greater than k, greater than equals to k, then what are the possible? Choose the current energy array of I, start from the current index, or choose the previous also. Current energy plus dp of I minus k, and which will be the maximum that I will store in the current index. If suppose I minus k positive energy is suppose minus 10 and current energy is current energy is suppose 5. Okay, if I choose jump from or take the energy from I minus k, so what are the energy I will get? Minus 10 plus 5, right? It will be ultimately minus 5. And if I choose start from this index I, then what is the energy I will get? I will get 5. So 5 is greater than minus 5, so I'll choose this index, start from this index. That's why it's mean. Okay, and after that I will choose n minus. I have traversed actually the dp array. I can actually also traverse I to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus. I will check maximum of answer and dpi ultimately. Okay, but I can actually minimize this. How? Because ultimately I have to go at the end. Right? At the end means in this example, like for k element, I have to reach these three index. Why? Because if I start from this, I have to like 0 3, like 0 3. I have to go. I will come index 3, and if I start from 1, then I will go 1. Then I will go 4. Suppose I start from 2, so 2 will be 2. So ultimately these three actually store the final maximum value. Either you can start from 2 to 2 because next 5 index are not present, so you start only minus 2. Okay, or I'll start from index 1, then only go to index 3, then I will get the value, suppose something. And if you start from the index 0, then I will go to index 3, I will get some value. Okay, so in the last k actually index, I actually get the maximum value. And if it's not, if you don't want to optimize, then you can all traverse the whole array, whole dp array. That time whenever I will get the maximum value, I will get, right? Got it. What is the time velocity of this? So this is traversing big of n in, and here also big of n. So time velocity will be big of n. Right. Thank you.